guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In this episode, I will show you how you can get logged into your Paycom account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open any web browser on your PC. Now there search for paycom.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now from here, tap on login button at the top right of your screen and choose which account you want to get logged into. And then you will taken to its login page. Now you have to enter your client code, and after that you have to type in a username followed by your password of your account. You can tap on I icon to reveal and confirm your password before moving on. And once you're done with typing in your details, tap on login button in order to get logged into your Paycom account. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Paycom account. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.